Hello everyone and welcome to our cybersecurity channel. In today's video, we're going back to basics and discussing what cybersecurity is all about. Whether you're new to the field or just looking to brush up on your knowledge, this video is for you. So let's dive in. So let's know about what is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks can come in various forms, such as malware, phishing, ransomware, and more. The goal of cybersecurity is to safeguard information and prevent unauthorized access or damage to devices and networks. Now, let's talk about some common cyber threats you should be aware of. Phishing attacks, where attackers trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, are incredibly prevalent. Malware, including viruses, worms, and trojans, can infect your devices and cause harm. Ransomware encrypts your files and demands payment for their release. Understanding these threats is crucial for protecting yourself online. So, let's know about basic security measures in cybersecurity. So, what can you do to stay safe in the digital world? First and foremost, keep your software up to date. Software updates often contain patches for security vulnerabilities, so make sure to install them regularly. Additionally, use strong, unique passwords for your accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments, especially from unknown sources. And lastly, consider using antivirus software and a firewall to add an extra layer of protection. Let's discuss about conclusion of this video. To wrap up, cybersecurity is all about protecting yourself and your digital assets from cyber threats. By understanding the basics of cybersecurity and implementing best practices, you can greatly reduce your risk of falling victim to attacks. Remember to stay vigilant and keep learning about new threats and security measures. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this introduction to cybersecurity informative. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content.